Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for the opportunity for me to speak in front of all of you here. First, I want to introduce myself first. Very quickly, my name is Muhammad Rizky Fidi Alamsyah, and I am a college student in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Bandung. Now, when you heard the word college, I think you guys will probably imagine about how stressful it is being a college student, and then you will also think that as a college student, you will have to manage your things, manage your time, manage your money, and many other things. Well, yes, that is actually true because me myself, I have to maintain and manage many other things such as my time, my assignment, my money. Well, you probably have heard many people talk about how to manage your time as a college student, right? But today I will share you the other thing that is actually more or less important compared to managing your time. You guys know what it is? Yes, it is actually managing your money. Now, when you're a college student, you have to manage your finance really well because that's how we learn to live independently. And this is what I've learned from managing my allowance, that it can also affect your health. How? Because your monthly allowance as a college student is not only the money that you will need to buy anything that you need, but it is also the money that you use to buy food and drinks every day. And remember this, what you eat today will shape you how you feel and live tomorrow and beyond. So how do we manage these two things at once? How do we manage our monthly allowance, and also how do we manage our healthy being or healthy life at the same time? Well, the first key to that is simple, is by controlling your desire. Now, the desire that I'm referring here is not your sexual desire. No, it's not. It's actually desire about your cravings for spicy food or craving for sweet things. Now, I know most of you guys like have favorite spicy food or also sweet things, but remember this: many people in social media or any news TV, there are many news that people having indigestion because they excessively eat too much spicy things and consumes sweet things too much. Now, and I also want to especially call out to women in Indonesia because they love spicy food very very much. I want you guys to remember that please to reduce the excessive amount of spicy food you eat or you consume because it will affect your health. Many doctors have already stated this in their website, in their social media, that if you eat many spicy food, especially like sablak, and sablak is one of their favorite fruit, if you excessively consume these spicy foods, it can make your stomach feel bad. It can cause you bad indigestion and it can cause you your healthy life. And when it comes to related to sweet things, well, you guys probably already know that sweet things at once, too many sweet things can lead to diabetes. And for me personally, I limit myself from consuming too much sweet things. It is because my family have a hereditary of diabetes, and one time that I realized to limit myself from consuming too much sweet things, it's because my mother sisters and my mother's brother died from diabetes. That one time I saw them, their indication of diabetes was they have holes in their food. That was the first indication, and then later on they will forget things because diabetes can also damages your brain nerves. So that is why I limit myself to consume sweet things too much. And I also please ask to you guys, please do not eat too much spicy food or too much spicy things too. Well, you guys can actually like eat it once or twice a week, but not every day. The next thing is you buy your own ingredients and you cook your homemade dish. Now, if you cook and your homemade dish, I suggest you guys to find a boarding house or a flat that have a stove and that can be used together. Or if you want to be flexible, you can just buy an electric pan in online shop. With electric pan, you can almost like cook everything else. And the ingredients if you want to buy and more is more cheaper. You can like buy eggs or tempeh for daily needs, and you can also like create more proportion or serve than you buy in the food stall. And then, but I suggest that you guys uh, only to cook and buy your rice at your own. Now you can cook your rice with a rice cooker, and it is actually saving your monthly allowance more than you can actually imagine. Like my monthly allowance is like 1 million rupiah per month, and I can save like 200 rupiah or more if I just cook rice and then buy the side dish from the food stall later on. And that is the suggestion that I want to clarify there. And the next one is, this is one of the most important thing, is that don't smoke and don't drink alcohol. Smoking is very bad for your health, and it is also expensive. Cigarettes is not cheap, guys. Cigarettes is very expensive. Just imagine this: if you buy a pack of cigarettes for like 20,000 rupiahs until 30,000 rupiahs, and that is a day. If you consume on a daily basis and for a month, you can spend like 600,000 to almost 1,000,000 for only smokes, and that is very expensive. You can like buy your own daily food and drinks for 2 weeks for that money. So this is why, and I also suggest you guys don't drink, even if you guys already like legal to drink. No, it is very bad for your health, because drinking can also like damages your brain too if you consume it very much. So I suggest you guys to not drink at all. And yes, smoking is bad for you too. That is why I suggest you guys to don't smoke and also don't drink alcohol. So in conclusion to all the previous statement I already stated before, you can like manage your monthly allowance and have a healthy life by one is by controlling your desire. It is not desire about sexual desire. No, it's not. It's about how you crave for spicy food and spicy things. Control that desire. By controlling this, you can like have a healthier life, because you can avoid indigestion problems and then bad stomach problem, and you can also like avoid diabetes. The second one is to buy your own ingredients and also cook your own dish. By doing this, you can like save up money more, because and also you can adjust the taste of your servings, and also you can also actually cook more if you buy the ingredients by yourself. And then the last but not least is that don't smoke and don't drink alcohol. I stated before, cigarettes, it's not cheap at all. No, it's not. It is very expensive, and you guys already know that a bottle of alcohol is very expensive. So that is why, as a college student, I do not recommend you guys to smoke and also to not drink at all. Remember this, guys, that these changes will change the way to you guys to have a brighter, healthier, and more financial secure future. Start making these changes today, and you see the positive impact in your college life and beyond. That is all from me. Thank you very much.